Hey everyone, it's me again, Anyway Black Swan, and I am in the middle of a hair review. So, as you can see, I was going to do this review with the hair curl, but I was like, why would I do that when I can show you how the hair holds up between it being straightened and it having a curl to it. So, I just wand these curls. Oh yeah, and for the information for the wig, this is a wig. I'll have it all listed down below. I will have a clip somewhere of the unboxing because I did a video earlier, but it was like a get ready with me and the makeup part was not good. I didn't like it, so I just want to redo the video and give you the hair video, and then I'll redo the makeup part and then actually put in a little more time into it because I was not happy with my makeup because I just rushed it, and I don't like rushing makeup. Okay, so anyway, so far I love this wig. I don't know why this is buckling. Somebody tell me what's up with that. Tell me why this bumps up like that, because I don't understand. So I'll do my research and try to figure out why this is happening to me. But other than that, other than my own mistake, this wig is amazing. I love the length. It has not shed not a once. Not a once. I actually been having this wig for a couple of days now. I'm not gonna say a week because it's shy of a week, but I took out the box. I wore it out for the whole weekend, and then when I took it back home, I washed and conditioned it, like really washed and conditioned. I let it soak because I wanted to see how it held up, you know, after I actually like do maintenance to it, you know, because not everybody like wears it out the box. So I actually like it better after the wash and condition. And then I put my heat protectant on it, and then now it's being curled, and I'm curling it with this wand right here. I have the information on this wand because this wand is really amazing because it comes with detachable attachments, so you can have different sizes. So the top part right here, the barrel that I'm using, it comes off. You see, I don't know if you can see it. My camera's not focusing. But this says locked, unlocked, you snap it. I want to snap it because it's actually on right now. You see the blue light, it's on. So I don't want to do that. And then they gave me a glove to go with it. I'm gonna do this part without my glove on because, like, you use your glove, okay? Ignore me, all right? I'm a safety hazard. But I don't have to, you know, how you have to cup it and stuff like that. I usually don't do that because unless I just really have time to burn, then I'll do that. But tonight I'm not, because I really want to see how this is gonna go. So yeah, I'll have all the details for this wig down below in the description box, but this wig goes in the must-have. Like, if you're looking for a good wig, this is sincerely a really good wig, no cap. Like, bro, this wig is so pretty, and you'll see from the unboxing like how it came or whatever like that, but like this wig is so nice. So yeah, I really can't say. I like the length. Look at the length. This length is really cute. The length is amazing. It's really cute. It's very manageable. It's very sexy. And I just love it. I really, really love this wig. It's so freaking soft and manageable. The lace could do a little a little bleaching. I could have bleached it, but I didn't, and I'm still in love with this wig. So anyway, highly recommend. This goes in the must-haves for, what's the next holiday? Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. So if you have a mama, or if you're a mama and you want to look cute for Mother's Day, this is what you need in your life. And I am not trying to blow this company up, but yes, you really do need this wig in your life. Like, I didn't cut it or anything. I literally washed and put it on. Okay, so anyway, I'm rambling. I am so rambling, and I apologize for rambling, but y'all already know I'm long-winded. So anyway, thank y'all for watching this video, and hopefully this will help you decide on your next wig purchase. I'm gonna get off camera and actually properly curl this side of my head because she's not done. She has some parts that she missed. So anyway, yes, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.